what is the ideal structure or design of a manifestation? Or let's say I want to have a dream goal. What should be the language that I should be using? What should be the mindset that I should be going with? And what should be the following actions? Give me a structure to this whole concept.
Yeah. So let me give the example of manifesting a dream job, because many people who are in this profession or who are in the law of attraction or manifestation domain, many of them, the first thing they realize is if they want to fix their life, they have to fix their career, right? And because most of them are working, the first thing is like get into a job which is good enough and which pay you well, give you some growth opportunity and all. So let's suppose someone wants to manifest a dream job. So first they have to frame that goal. They have to dream, they have to set the dream, they have to set the goal. So they have to sit and they have to ask themselves, take some time and think about like what kind of job I want, and be specific there. Wherever there are certain area where you can be very, very specific, they can be specific. Okay, what kind of job I want, this is the profile. If there is any specific companies they have in mind, so they can even set that. They can fix the kind of salary they want to earn, the kind of designation, the kind of experience they want to have. And this is the most important thing. When you want to manifest something, what kind of experience you want to have being in that job. So first taking time and writing it down, and writing it like as if I'm manifesting. So I am happily and joyfully working in my dream job in Microsoft as a software developer, earning 12 lakh rupees per annum. And I'm having a growth oriented career, working with wonderful people, great teammates, great bosses who are always encouraging and supportive, and are learning tons of things to grow in my career.
So writing it in present sense as if it is happening with me right now.
Right now.
Even if it has happened, not happened, it's just a manifestation, but writing it in present sense.
Because
present tense.
Because manifestation is happening at this moment. Right now also, whatever you are manifesting, even if that physical form hasn't come yet, but the manifestation point is happening at this point. And this is one of the most important thing to understand. When we realize that manifestation is happening right this moment all the time, our doubts, our worried about when it will come true, how it will come true, will go down.
So that is the language of manifestation. Let's go to the next part, the mindset of manifestation.
Yes. So now in the mindset of manifestation, where you have to think about the belief system. Now you have to ask yourself, now my dream job is set. Now, do I deserve it? Sometimes people set dreams and they really want it, but they don't feel deserving. So that's where I have to create a deservingness.
Or do I have the skill for it, or an interest in it?
Yes.
Or
that will come in the third step. First I have to ask, do I feel deserving? Do I have the deservingness? And then the belief side, like am I really good at that programming thing? Or am I trying to manifest something as a good software developer, and programming is not my strength? So if that is there, these are the core belief part. Like for example, if you want to become a successful dancer and you don't like to dance, or you're not good at it, or you want to become a successful yoga teacher, but yoga is a very difficult thing for you. So maybe that's not the goal. Maybe you have to go back to the step one and reset and look for something else. And then you have to believe part. Now, if you are feeling you are not deserving, or you are lacking on some particular mindset level, you have to do affirmation, visualization, and work on those side. Then you have to set an idea there actually, what are the kind of affirmation I have to do to get this job, whether in terms of deserving that job, in terms of skill set, I have everything. Then we go to the third part, where the action part. Before taking action, you have to ask yourself, do I have the skill set? Do I know? I love programming, but maybe I don't know certain languages of programming for which I can get this job. So then you start planning what kind of certification I can take, what kind of training I can take, how much time I can practice on a regular basis, whom I can approach, whether I have to update my LinkedIn profile, whether I have to apply Naukri.com. And then you set a framework, set an action plan for taking action. And then you start taking action.